Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm Guru Rajan. Welcome to this YouTube channel to watch this series of videos on Python for data science. In this video, let's look at how to download or extract data from the CSV file onto your data frame using Pandas' read CSV function. We'll see two scenarios. One is when the CSV file is on the web, and number two, when the CSV file is on your local machine. So to do this, we'll use two different CSV file. One is the onion dataset, other is the iris flowers dataset. Let's begin. So we will use two different datasets for this purpose, and this is the onion price dataset, which has the price of onion from 1997 to 2015. It's available in gov.in. It's an Indian government's website which contains a lot of very useful data sets. So this is obviously the price of onion at different times. The first column is the date. The second column is the place in which the onion price was recorded. The third column is the commodity, which is always onion. The fourth column is the price of the onion on that particular day in that place. So let us, and this CSV file is available on your local machine. As you can see, let me clear the dataset. So here we are using Pandas as PD, and then this is the name of the onion price dataset, which is available on your local machine in the current directory. So I have not given any path over here. I've just given the file name. As you can see here, the CSV file doesn't have any header. So I have given header names as defined names: date, center name, commodity name, and price. This is the header name. Now, when I read CSV, PD is the short form of Pandas, pd.readCSV. Now read CSV is the function which takes many arguments, out of which I am using two arguments here. One is the file name, which is available in my current directory in the local machine, and names is equal to defined names. Defined names is nothing but the header. So read CSV function takes many arguments, and out of that I am using only two here. Let's run this, and data frame onion is the data frame on which it has just downloaded. So we can see that the price of the onion in the different places on that corresponding day is available. So we have just extracted the data from the CSV file onto this data frame, and then we can now do the analysis and manipulation. We can apply our algorithms on this data frame. So I hope you are able to understand how we are able to extract the data onto a data frame. Now the other thing will be, if the CSV file is on the web, then how do you download it onto a data frame? That's the second case we are going to see. So here is another data set which is called iris flowers dataset, and the header names are sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. So the idea is, by giving the dimensions of the sepals and the petals, we'll be able to identify what flower we are talking about. So obviously the fifth column is the target flower. So it can be Setosa or Virginica or versicolor. So it can be one of these species. So by using the dimensions of the sepal and the petal, we'll be able to identify which particular species of flower we are talking about. So this is available on the web, and I'm using this link straight away. As you can see, instead of the local directory path and the file name, I'm giving the link completely. So the name of the file is iris.csv. So I just copied this link and then pasted it onto the read CSV function. So obviously the read CSV function is intelligent enough to understand the link we are giving is from the web, and it automatically downloads the CSV file from the web and puts it onto this data frame. So as usual, I have imported the pandas as PD and then pd.readCSV. So you might be wondering, what are the arguments we pass to the read CSV? If you want to know that, you can just click on the read CSV function and press Shift Tab. As you can see, the complete set of arguments you can see over here, and out of that we are just giving the path, file path or the name of the file. So here we go. So we just downloaded that and put it onto the data frame. Now if I print this data frame, I'm going to get, as you can see, sepal length, sepal width, petal length and petal width. Now the difference between this and the previous read CSV, obviously there is one difference. The file was in the local machine and this file is in the web. Apart from this, there is one more difference. You can see that in the previous read CSV, I gave the header names separately. Because the header was not available in the CSV file, I had to give the header names. Here, the header names are given. But right now, in this iris flowers dataset, the header is available in the CSV file. So I didn't give any header for this. It automatically read from the CSV file that is available on the web. The header was there. So this read CSV file was able to read the header automatically. So that is why I didn't give any headers here. You can see that there is no header given here. So it automatically has read this and put this onto the CSV file. So I hope now you understand the two different ways of reading and downloading data from the CSV file onto the data frame. So you can use this to do further analysis by using the different Pandas functions, which we will see in the future videos. I hope you liked this video. Please give a like and subscribe. Also, please leave your suggestions on any of the videos that you would like me to do. Thanks a lot for watching.